What if I told you your future might already exist? Not metaphorically, physically. And if that's true, free will might not be what you think it is. Stay with me, because this gets uncomfortable. We experience time like a movie, past, present, future, frame after frame. But physics doesn't describe reality that way. In 1905, Einstein showed something radical. There is no universal now, no cosmic present moment. Time and space are fused together into spacetime, and depending on how you move, your present changes. Two observers moving differently literally disagree on what is happening right now. Both are correct, which leads to a disturbing implication. If someone far away in the universe can label what you call the future as their present, then your future must already exist. This idea is called the block universe. Imagine reality as a four-dimensional structure, not flowing, not evolving, just existing. Your birth, this video, your death, all equally real. From outside spacetime, your entire life exists at once. You don't move through time. You are a pattern extended across it. Physicists call this your world line. Now here's where it gets personal. If the future already exists, are you really choosing? Or are you simply experiencing a path that is already there? That's determinism. The idea that the initial conditions of the universe set everything in motion, including you watching this video. But neuroscience complicates it even more. Brain experiments show that your brain initiates decisions milliseconds before you're consciously aware of them. Your sense of "I decided" may come after the neural activity has already started, which raises a serious question. Is free will a feeling rather than a fundamental force? And now here's something fascinating. Across different religious traditions, there's a recurring theme: God existing outside time. In the Bible, Revelation 1:8 describes God as the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end, simultaneously. In the Quran, 57:3, God is described as the first and the last, not sequentially, at once. In Hindu philosophy, particularly in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, "I am time," not inside it, identified with it. Different cultures, different languages, similar idea. A perspective beyond linear time. Now that doesn't prove theology, but it does show something interesting. For thousands of years, humans have imagined a reality where past, present, and future coexist. And now physics is saying something similar. But quantum mechanics refuses to make this simple. At the smallest scales of reality, events are fundamentally unpredictable. Not unknown, unpredictable. A radioactive atom does not decay on a schedule. It operates on probability, which suggests the future might not be fully fixed. Some physicists propose a different model, the growing block universe. The past exists, the present is the edge, the future doesn't exist yet. Reality expands moment by moment, which sounds better for free will until you realize randomness isn't freedom either. If your actions are determined, you're not free. If they're random, you're not free. So what exactly is free will? Here's the deeper possibility. What if time itself is not fundamental? Some theoretical physicists argue that time may emerge from deeper timeless equations. Neuroscientists argue that the self may be an emergent process, not a fixed entity. And many spiritual traditions argue that consciousness is primary. Different disciplines, different vocabularies, but they all point towards something unsettling. What you think of as you might not be what's actually fundamental. So here's the question. Are you moving through time? Is time moving through you? Or is your entire life already complete, and you're simply becoming aware of different slices? We don't know, but here's what we do know. You experience choice. You experience uncertainty. You experience agency, and that experience is real, even if reality underneath it is stranger than we ever imagined. And right now, you still have to decide what to do next.